In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link work items in Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps, sometimes just called ADO, is a comprehensive tool used for project development and management, and it offers a rich feature for linking various work items. But what does linking actually mean in this context? Well, linking in Azure DevOps boards allows you to connect work items to each other. Think of a task linked to a user story or a bug connected to a feature. Additionally, you can also link work items to code-related artifacts such as commits, branches, and pull requests. This linking is crucial as it provides seamless traceability, exposes dependencies, and enhances the visibility of relationships within your project. Now, let's explore some examples of these relationships. You can establish a parent/child relationship where a user story can have child tasks nested beneath it. There are also predecessor-successor links, indicating that one work item is contingent upon another finishing first. Or you might simply have related items, where there's a connection but not a hierarchical one. For code links, you'll be able to specify the connection between a work item and specific code alterations thanks to commits and pull requests. So, how do we establish these links within Azure DevOps? Let's delve into the process step by step to make sure you can easily manage these important connections through the user interface. First, you'll want to navigate to your desired project within Azure DevOps. From there, head over to Boards, and then select Work Items, or whichever board or area you're focusing on. Once there, you will need to open the specific work item that you're planning to link from. Next, look for a tab or panel on the work item form titled Links. Sometimes it might be labeled as Add Link, Related Work, or something along those lines. You'll then click on Add Link, or possibly a symbol like plus and link. In the window that appears, you'll choose the type of link you desire, whether that be parent, child, related, predecessor, or successor. Then, you'll search for either the ID or the name of the work item you intend to link to. Let's say, for instance, you have user story number 123 and task number 456. You'd open task number 456, select Add Link, choose Parent, search for number 123, and select it. This links number 123 as the parent of number 456. If instead you wish to create a dependency, you'd opt for predecessor-successor. For instance, defining task A as the predecessor of task B implies that task A needs to be completed before task B can commence. After you've selected the appropriate link type and identified the target item, the next step is to click OK or Add. Once you've completed that, make sure to save the work item by hitting Save or Save and Close. Upon saving, the work item will display the newly created link under the Links tab, or it might appear under the Development section if you're making code links. Lastly, to ensure everything is properly linked, you can open the target work item you just connected to. Head to its Links tab to verify that the reverse link is displayed correctly. This ensures that the parent correctly shows its child or the predecessor lists the successor. For code links, when you have linked a commit or a pull request, the Development section should accurately show these connections. And there you have it. This is how you can efficiently manage and link work items in Azure DevOps, streamlining your workflow and enhancing project visibility.